What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Budget Buying. If you are looking for the best computer case fan to keep your PC cool and add some style to your setup, you are in the right place. A good case fan is not just about airflow, it is also about quiet performance and clean design. Today, we're checking out an option that brings all of that together. Let's get started. The Tucer computer fan is built to deliver strong cooling while keeping noise levels low. It features an 11-blade fluid design that helps maximize airflow inside your computer case. More airflow means better heat dissipation, which helps protect your components during heavy tasks. Even with this strong performance, the fan operates at only 28 dB. That is impressively quiet, so your PC stays cool without creating distracting noise. Another great feature of the Tucer computer case fan is its shock-absorbing design. The fan is surrounded by soft silicone pads that reduce vibrations. This is important because high-speed rotation can sometimes cause shaking and extra noise. With the silicone padding, the fan stays stable and runs smoothly. This also helps improve durability over time. If you care about how your PC looks, the Tucer computer fan case adds a bold visual touch with ARGB lighting. It comes with high-brightness LED lamp beads that create a dynamic spectrum of colors. You can customize the lighting to match your build theme. Whether you prefer a soft glow or a colorful display, this fan helps bring your system to life. The FD200 ARGB model is a 20-centimeter desktop cooling fan, which means it covers a larger area inside the case. This larger size helps move more air efficiently. It keeps internal temperatures under control, especially during demanding sessions. Under the hood, the Tucer computer fan uses a hydraulic bearing system. This type of bearing reduces friction and ensures smoother rotation. Less friction means less wear and tear, which extends the life of the fan. It also helps maintain quiet operation while still delivering strong airflow. The overall design of the Tucer computer fan case feels solid and well built. It combines practical cooling performance with eye-catching lighting and stable construction. It is a smart upgrade for anyone looking to improve both airflow and appearance. Cool performance meets vibrant style. If you want to enhance your PC setup, check the price link in the description. And do not forget to like and subscribe to Budget Buying for more helpful product videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.